Hi, Dr. Danyo here from North Atlanta Hair Restoration in Alpharetta, Georgia, just north of Atlanta. The question is, why am I having shedding after an FUE hair transplant 10 months later? And that is somewhat unusual. By 10 months, you should be into more of an active growth phase, although it may take 12 to 15 months to get full growth. The fact that you're using a topical finasteride and minoxidil for the 3 months, that's probably the main reason why you're shedding. But it might be something that you need to talk with your surgeon about to make sure that everything looks good and that the procedure was done correctly, and I'm assuming that it was. It's very common for topical finasteride and topical minoxidil to cause shedding. And again, check with your doctor concerning this. And at this point, I wouldn't be too alarmed and continue to allow the full effects, which again may take 12 to 15 months.